arrive in style with this 2005 Dodge Viper SRT10. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 7 speakers, radio data system, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes and ABS brakes. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.